May I come in, sir?
Yes, please come in.
Thank you, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, good morning. Please have a seat.
Thank you, sir.
How are you doing today?
Very fine, sir. Thank you.
So, Kavita, tell me something about yourself.
As you already know that, my name is Kavita Bora. I'm from Guwahati. I complete my BA from Guwahati University. Now I'm doing MA from Silchar University. With my degree, I have good knowledge of CC, computer, net and Java.
Very good, very good. So, are you fresher?
No, actually I work in a Geo Private Company Limited as a computer operator. But now I'm looking for a better opportunity.
Talk about why you need this job.
I'm quite happy with my current job, but I'm looking for a more productive role that suits my skills and ability to grow further. I'm a quick learner and ready to take new challenges required to perform better.
What are your strengths?
My greatest strength is my communication skills. I love interacting with different people and have patience to listen to them. Many people approach me to help them take decisions as they believe I can analyze things better.
What's your biggest weakness?
My biggest weakness that I trust people very easily. Sometimes it hurts me because I feel happy, but many times this habit also helps me make good friends for life.
Why do you want to work here?
I'm really impressed by the leadership team of this company, so I want to work here.
So, thank you very much for your time, Kavita. We will get back to you shortly.
Thank you, sir. Have a good day.
You too have a good day.